or broccoli if it's available. The third thing is you have to eat a date. खजूर जो है वो आप खा लें, एक खाएं, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा लोग जो है ना फ्रूट चाट और फ्रूट सैलेड और ये चीज़ें खानी शुरू करते हैं. You don't have to eat the whole bowl of fruits. You have to eat one fruit serving. That will be enough for you. The third. Fourth, you have to wait after, because you just ate, you just drank water, because you were fasting for like 18 hours, 16 hours, 12 hours, 14 hours, whatever you want to do. The best step is to do, you drank the water, so your body is now available saying that, okay, I have something in my stomach. Second, you ate vegetables, so something good is in your body now. Third, you ate a little carb. Any fruit, any one serving of carb is good. Any one fruit, आप केला खा सकते हो, आप खजूर खा सकते हो, आप कोई भी चीज़ खाते हो. मैं वैसे खजूर से खाना शुरू करता हूँ, क्योंकि फास्टिंग जब आप करते हो रमजान में तो आपको उसकी आदत पड़ी होती है, तो आई टेक दैट. थर्ड, यू हैव टू वेट 15